Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Grazie amici per essere qui nel mio canale. Oggi siamo qui a casa. Mangio sempre pizza ogni giorno. Guys, I've been eating pizzas every day. I say, I want a burger today. I want a burger. But where we can go? So, I decide to make my own. Voila. I made the bun for the first time. Take a look. Nice and soft. Look at this. Wow. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and wait until the end because I'm gonna make a very special burger. Amici, sono molto facili, più facili di quanto ne pensate. Leave a like and subscribe.
Ingredients that we need for this recipe: 450 grams of flour, but you can buy the zero flour. 7 grams of dry yeast. 180 milligrams of water, room temperature. 1 egg. 50 grams of sugar. 30 grams of melted butter. Make sure it's nice and melted. 8 grams of salt. Okay, pay attention how I put the ingredients.
Sugar, yeast, butter, water.
Now let's put our mix inside. And let's mix it up everything. We have to mix up everything until everything is together. This recipe is very simple to do, not that hard. After mixing for 5 minutes,
The last ingredient, salt.
let's go ahead and let's mix everything up. When is everything together, let's go ahead and let's put everything in the counter. Let's start to work our dough with your hands. That's why I like it like that. Wow. Same thing how you make the pizza. Same thing, nothing different. You have to mix for about 15 minutes. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I love and make the dough. I love and make the dough. When is everything together, we need to bang a couple of times in the counter. Like that. Like that. Then you're gonna go across. Harder, harder, harder. Done for now. Okay, now let's get the dough, let's put it on the side, let's get a bowl, let's put a little bit of olive oil, little bit. Voila. Let's get the dough, let's put it in, and done. Let's cover up with a towel. Old school, like my grandmother. Okay, now let's wait 1 hour to 2 hours, depends on the room temperature that you have. Here is hot, so we're gonna check it out 1 to 2 hours. After exactly 2 hours, here we find the dough. It's double up the sides, like you can see, double up the sides. Now let's go ahead to the second step. We have to take off all the air to the dough. Like you can see, it's full of air, nice. We're gonna take off the air just like that, like we are making the bread. Now let's go ahead, let's make the balls 130 grams each. Okay, done with the balls. So now let's go ahead and let's form the balls. I want to show to you. These the balls, we have to close it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to create it like a balloon. Then you go like this. So basically you're gonna close this. Or you do it here, or you do on the counter. Just like that. I'm really fast on this because I'm used to it with the regular balls from the pizza. The goal here is that we need to take off all the air to the crust, all the air to the dough. this finger. Now go ahead and let's close it. Now we need a sheet pan, just like that, with a little bit with paper wax. Now we have to put the balls a little bit far from each other. Then remember, if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you go ahead and make it smaller. Okay, at this point, let's go ahead and let's cover up with a towel. Voila, let's let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. For the top of our bun, we have just a little bit of milk and 1 red oak. This is a mix for the top of our bun. And here you go, guys. And we're gonna give it the final touch with our mix: 1 egg, little bit of milk, and the sesame seeds. Okay, our bun is nicely done. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven at 390 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Let's go ahead and let's cook it for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make some burger for us tonight. Wow. Now is the time. Take a look, guys. Take a look. I mean, wow. Wow. Nice and soft. Now let's go ahead and let's go see the inside. And this is the proof. Now I want a like. Let's go. Let's put a like. Wow. Wow, guys. Now let's go ahead. Let's fill it up. Okay, for this delicious burger, let's open up. Can't wait. I can't wait to show you. Let's put the meat with the smoked mozzarella already melted. We're gonna put some avocado spread. Delicious. 1 more meat with cheddar. My burger is ready. I mean, take a look, guys. Take a look. Everything homemade. I can't wait to taste it. Oh, wow. Wow. Our bun are ready. Hopefully this one was very simple for you, but I made my favorite burger, which is 2 meat, avocado spread, and cheese. I'm gonna taste it. Wow. Oh. Man, I don't go anymore to the burgers. I'm sorry. To In-N-Out, whatever. I'm gonna make my own burgers. So easy.
And what can I say, guys? I'll see you at the next one with more recipe. Comment below if you want to see something next, because I challenge myself. And then I'm here for you. Don't worry, I'm here for you always.